Hey, what's up everyone? I welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session I would like to show you how you can cherry pick a commit from one branch to another in Git. Right now I am in one of my repositories on GitHub on the main branch, and in another branch called some branch, which I created as an example, I committed a change which I would like to bring into this main branch. So let's go have a look at how this change looks like. It's this message, happy coding. And I brought it here using just one commit, which is this one. And as you can see, here is now the readme file with all the changes that I made, which are simply just these lines here. And what you really need to have to successfully cherry pick a commit from one branch to another is the SHA git commit hash. And this one you can find here. And by clicking this, you can copy it. That's for GitHub, that's how it works here. But usually you have this on every single commit. And it's a really very easily findable information in all the Git apps that there are. Now, another way how to get this is simply just the git log. Here in my Visual Studio I'm standing on the main branch now, but I will switch quickly to my some branch once again. And you can see I have the message here now, and what I will do is I will call the git log, and here I can see it, the happy coding message on the commit with this hash code here. I will copy this, and you can see it's the same one like here on the right side, 9A585C8 and so on. I will press Q now, and I'm back again in my terminal, and I will switch to the main branch now. So this is all correct. Switch to branch main, and your branch is up to date with origin main. That's all good. The happy coding message vanished because it's only in the some branch, and under main branch it is unavailable yet. But now using the cherry pick, I will bring it to this main branch here, and I will do it exactly this way. Git cherry pick, and now I will copy paste the commit hash which I copied previously from the git log or from my GitHub UI, and I will press enter. And here it is, the happy coding message appeared in my main branch, which I can quickly check by saying git branch and listing the branches that I have together with the current one. And now the only thing that you need to do is to commit your changes. I will either press this button here, sync changes, there is one available, or using the git status, I will check one more time what changed, just to see what happened and what I have to do next. And here I see that my branch is ahead of origin main by one commit, and I need to use git push to publish my local changes. I will do that. I now pushed the changes to my main branch of my repository, and if I now change to my main branch, the change will be here and the happy coding message appeared. And that's it. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.